What is up, guys? It's Shamsi here with another video. I'm so sorry, I just woke up. It's a mess right now. It's a mess. Coming to you back again with another banger, my guy. So yeah, a lot has happened since I've been away. They stole my fucking exhaust tip. Bruv, someone just stole my exhaust. Someone stole my exhaust tip, bruv. Literally, look there, yeah. I just found out when I got to work, bruv. Someone stole it. Fucking great, that's on this way coming now. And my exhaust is blowing, so I'm gonna be doing that in this video. I'm literally waiting for a new, what's this, joint clamp thingy. We're waiting for it. It finally came, I'm so gassed. Also, I'm kinda ill right now. I feel like shit, honestly. I feel like complete shit. But yeah, back on the thief and shit, they literally, it's like the person watched my video of how to fucking take the exhaust tip off, bruv. Like, I don't really people, bruv. I don't know, man. Well, they cut the diffuser, so I need to fucking cable tie that. And yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for this video. And then next video, I got more shit coming from K-Tech Racing, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a decent one. It's gonna be a decent one. But yeah, first of all, let's get this car jacked up, and then we're gonna be changing out the old clamps from off the middle part of the exhaust. So without further ado, let's get it. This is the exhaust clamp what I'm going to use to clamp the midsection of the exhaust. Kind of looks like this type of design right here. Yeah, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to untighten these bolts, hopefully get a bit loose. So basically right there is where it's blowing from, because this whole thing, wait, let me put the camera down. Yeah, so it's blowing from this section here, and this whole thing wraps around and is currently on this right now. So we're gonna need to cover this. So I got this right here. Essentially will be something like that, but in a later video I'm going to fix up the whole exhaust, so it doesn't really matter. So, but yeah, let's get it started. there. It's blowing, but I'm gonna need some exhaust paste right there. Okay, so I had to stop doing what I'm doing to go pick up some exhaust paste. Literally, it's all on. It's not leaking that much, but the exhaust paste will literally just finish up the job basically. And yeah, I'm gonna pick up the camera when I get home. So see you guys soon. Okay, so I forgot to close up the video. I went to Halfords to pick up some. I went to Halfords to go pick up some gum paste. It's called hot fire gum type shit. I don't know. It was for £4. Basically, I didn't need to record it. I literally just slapped it around it. I took everything off, wiped some exhaust paste all around it, and then tightened everything back up. So it can't leak out no more. And I can confirm that the leak is gone. My exhaust is not blowing anymore. So that's a job well done. Next video, it will be a surprise. So stay tuned for that. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, turn on your notifications, and leave a cheeky little subscribe for me. Also, thank you so much for 520 subscribers. It means a lot. Yeah, Shamsi signing out.